Almost scared to ask you, when does the severe weather roll in? When is the worst of it going to hit?
Well, the worst of it's going to hit East Arkansas around 2 a.m.
Okay.
Now it's looking like the Memphis metro area between 4 and 6 a.m. So as early as 4 a.m.
Okay.
And that's a little bit faster than what we were talking about last night and even this morning.
I hope it just speeds on up and gets on out of here.
Wouldn't that be nice?
It would be lovely.
I just don't think that's going to happen. There's just too much going on in the atmosphere, and this is just such a weird situation in January. It is certainly not normal. I do not remember being under a moderate risk in January, and we are. So February, yes. December, yeah. Not January, but we are. So here it is. You can see it back in Arkansas. It's not going to miss us. It's heading due east. The question is, how strong is that going to be when it gets here? And we still don't know for sure, but the ingredients and the models are showing that it could pack a punch. 70-mile-an-hour winds are possible. And when you consider that the winds are already at 30 before the line has even come through, you can see why that is a possibility, and that would take down some tree branches and trees and perhaps power lines, so be prepared to lose power overnight. Tornado watch to our west. We are under a flash flood watch. It is possible that tornado watch could be expanded east into the overnight hours. I wouldn't be surprised. In fact, that's probably likely, to be honest with you. Here's that moderate risk, which is a 4 on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. We're at a 4. We're right below that high threshold put out by the Storm Prediction Center. That's a big deal. That's significant. All right, here's the setup. Low pressure center basically right over us, right atop us. That's another reason we are very confident that there will be damaging winds. Here we go with the timing now, hour by hour. Notice 4 a.m. It will be right along the Mississippi River. That is it, 4 a.m. downtown Memphis. That's what our model is showing. And in between 4 and 6 a.m. for like eastern Shelby County. So really early in the day. And it is going to be characterized by really strong winds that can bring down trees. Torrential rain also possible. And I can't rule out a few tornadoes. Now from about 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning in our eastern counties, there will also be a threat, but the threat won't be as high as it will be over the Memphis metro area, and then by the afternoon, just showers. No worries about severe weather. The overnight low, 60. That's it for an overnight low. And tomorrow's high, 63, with severe weather in the morning. Floyd's 7-day forecast shows Sunday, quiet, thank goodness. Monday, quiet, thank goodness. But another chance of rain and storms next week, a little bit different system than this one. But don't let your guard down. I have no reason to believe right now that our threat is any less than when we were on the air at 6 o'clock. So still a significant potential weather event, and we'll be here all night.